Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P Stock Index Future for Thursday, July the 21st, 2011. Well, when we left yesterday, I was suggesting that the 16 area would be the key area, and as long as the market held there overnight, I could rally up to the next target around 22, which we were at yesterday, and then I'm at 28 yesterday, and then the next target above that would be at around 42. Well, as you can see here, the gods were in our favor today for sure because the market came down. By the way, this profile right here is what occurred overnight going into today's regular trading session. So this was yesterday. We had that very small range yesterday, and this is today's action today. So it came down and found excellent support right there. The 16 level right here, so just dipped a hair below it, 1 point below it overnight, and then started to rally. As a matter of fact, early in the session, I think it was 1575, rallied, came back later in the overnight session, hit 15, and then had a nice rally after the news was released at 8:30, the jobless claims. And so the market overnight, our next level was up here around 28. You can see the market even exceeded that by a little bit. Opened right on our level around 28, and not surprisingly found the good buying and continued up for the rest of the day, closing very close to its high. So our next level up there was around 42, right about here, and the market hit 43.50. So pretty fortunate, I think, today. As I said, I guess the gods are with us because just a point off of the low and a point and a half off of the high. So here's our profiles that we use, which are profiles only of the regular trading day, and we also use those in our analysis. Here is our software and our look at the market for today. There are not a lot of trades here. We had a pair of them trigger almost simultaneously here, and those were long trades, and we had a short trade right here with an entry right here, and it did drop not too bad. We did not take that trade in our system because of the green filter and the intraday up auction. We had a really nice trade here, 33.25 I think was the fill, and immediately shot up to here. When it backed off, we were stopped out mechanically, so easily reaching our first two objectives. I think it ran about a 5.5 points or something like that. Yeah, it ran 5.5 points in our favor and stopped out at 4-point gain on the final 1/4 of our position on that. So that was actually the only trade that we did take today. As you can see, there was no other trades actually identified on the chart. But that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. It got very volatile in here. Apparently there was some sort of rumor going on that the government had come to some conclusion, and then short time after said no. So it was just sort of a blip, I think, in what the market really wanted to do was have a good move up, sort of a pause, and then continue up again. So we're still looking, as I said, in the 34 area is good support, higher support around 39. With a look really around 53 and then 56 on the upside. So market is continuing to look bullish. Certainly in our intraday bias is up, and that's going to be our preference unless something new comes into play. There's no big news to be released tomorrow, so the market should be able to sort of do its own thing, if you will. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Or, of course, you can give us a call. Our phone number is on our website. So thanks for watching, and we will see you again tomorrow.